Hey, meal preppers, Paul coming at you here again this week, and Amy is at work. It is the middle of the day here on Thursday, so I'm recording this video late. We had company over this weekend, and we did not get to cook on Sundays like we usually do, but that did not ruin our goals. We still had our menu in place. We did come up with some dishes. We got our shopping done, but we knew we wouldn't be able to cook till Tuesday. I think we cooked on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, we made a couple of meals. And then on yesterday, we made our third meal, and I'm doing the video today for you. We have got some shepherd's pie right here, and we've got a cilantro mint pork loin with some excellent roasted veggies, and then we've got a tremendous butternut squash soup here with Italian sausage and some kale spinach mix. It is amazing. I'm gonna start right here with the soup. It is a 2.5-pound butternut squash. That's all that's in there. You cut it up into cubes, and then you boil that down, and you mash it up with a emulsion blender. If you got one of those hand blenders, it works great. You put in some white beans in there, and let me see if I can scoop some out. You got white beans in there with some diced red tomatoes, and we added some kale and spinach mix in there. We weren't expecting to do that, but it just called for it. We dumped a whole bunch in there. So that makes this a excellent protein-rich soup here, and it does taste amazing, guys. Coming over here to our cilantro mint pork loin right here. It had a fancy name, but we changed it up quite a bit, and we had some roasted veggies to it. So what you do is you spice up the pork loin. You put it in a pan and sear it, and then we added some baby carrots right here. Actually, we're too baby. They're about 5 inches long, but we cut them in half and put them in there with the pork loin. Throw that in the oven and let that cook. Meanwhile, we roasted some green beans and some Brussels sprouts. All of this together is tremendous. And then on top, we've got a nice oil and lemon juice with cilantro and cilantro and mint herbs in there. And you got to play with this a little bit, add more herbs and some salt to really bring the flavor of those herbs out. And it was amazing. We had this right for dinner last night. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat that later. And then over here, another tremendous dish, shepherd's pie. You make it just like you think. There's no pie crust though. So we've got the shepherd's pie mix. We used ground bison in here, and love ground bison. It's nice and lean, has a great flavor. We got mushrooms, peppers, carrots, and onions in there. And then on top is a steamed sweet potato that we mashed up with some paprika and a little bit of coconut oil. I think that really is what makes this topping. So put that all on top, put it in the oven for 20 minutes or so, let that all come to temperature, and you dish it up. This is a tremendous dish as well. I would recommend everything this week. Go ahead, make it all. You got the holidays coming up, so if you don't eat it, surely somebody in the family will eat it for you. Guys, check out our app, and I hope you love it. Have a great holiday season. All right, take care.